Hey everyone, I'm Silverwolf, and today I'm going to be unboxing the first in wave 3 of the Furby Furblets, and this is Hula. Now Hula was the one that everyone was excited about. It's the one that looks like a pineapple, and it's also the one that people have been saying has all new sounds and songs, whereas the others are apparently reusing sounds and songs from the previous waves. So I was quite excited to find this one, and it was actually thanks to Caleb Chung, who actually found Hula on the UK website Very. So thanks to Caleb Chung. That's really awesome. I see you've done your video as well, unboxing Hula. Interestingly, you're also unboxing Mermaid, and Mermaid was the one that I pulled out randomly because I suddenly noticed when I looked at Hula's box is it doesn't have the little hole in the top that the fur sticks out of. Don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but I don't know if it's all of... I guess from now on they're just not going to do that anymore. They're not going to have that little bit. I guess it's easier to manufacture them without it. So this is the box. It's the same as all the other Furby Furblet boxes. It shows how you sort of play with Hula, and Hula looks like a pineapple when the ears are folded in. One colour, one size. Let's go collect and harmonise. And there's a picture of what you get in the box, which is Hula and the clip. And it also works with Furby and other Furblets as well. So opening up the box, you don't have any of the I think the last ones I unboxed also didn't have that little paper tie thing that they kind of used to sort of tie them in. And the instructions and stuff is all normal. Let's not look at that because it's a bit boring. We want to see the Furblet. So we've got some nice green hair there, and as you can see, the fur does resemble a pineapple. Now, someone said, in fact, I've had a few people say that one of the Easter type Furblets that were revealed for wave 4 was apparently Hula. I think the fur's slightly different on that. I think it's a paler yellow and doesn't have the orange in the middle. But yes, I can see the resemblance between the two. So it's got a gold tag on it, a gold clip, and a neon orange bit of sort of thread there holding it on. I say thread, it's not, it's more like string, but there you go. And that's gold as well underneath, and it actually has the Furby logo on it. So let's have a look and see what sounds Hula will make. There we go. So the sounds do all sound different from what I've heard. There are a few spoken lines that sound similar to other Furblets. I definitely recognise a couple of them, but the music is different, which is the main thing. I think if they put different music in each Furblet, it makes it worth it. Whereas the spoken lines, not so important, but you know, that's just my opinion, I guess. Interestingly, the faceplate, as you can see, is gold, and there are little pineapples in his eyes there. And the beak is yellow, the little heart gem is green, and inside the ears it's also gold. And they've got like a border on them as well, which is quite cool. That's actually quite different. I've not seen a Furblet yet that has like a little border around the ears. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I guess it is. But that's pretty cool. I like that. I sort of made the plastic in the ears a little bit smaller. I'm just going to compare that actually and just see if... Because I have Mermaid here. No, it's different on Mermaid's ears. It doesn't have the little border around it. So there you go. That is Hula. I hope you've enjoyed watching this unboxing video. I'm excited to get hold of the other Wave 3 Furblets as well. Mermaid's just going to be singing forever now. There we go. Oh, never mind. I went to put her to sleep and then I pressed her beak, putting her ears in. Never mind. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. If you want to see more Furby videos, you can click the boxes that come up below. You can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi. If you enjoy what I do, it all helps. Any donation if you enjoy my videos. Yeah, the link for that is in the description. So that's all for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.